Alright, I wanted to show you I have a new variation of Invisible Deck with a regular deck, and it's inspired from a Paul Harris Invisible Rising card effect from one of his books. And what I do, I'll show you. I'm just going to explain this. I will have other performance videos, and now I'm going to have my one of my students, the Magic Contest winner, Caleb. Caleb is going to be performing some of my original magic, so you can see it performed before an audience. So that'll be coming up soon. So for this, what we're going to do is I'm going to take the deck, and what I do is I I divide it so that it's half odds and half evens. Okay, I'm not going to do that at this time, but that's what you would do. And then you put it so that, let's say, so that the evens would be on top. Okay, the even cards. So I'm not going to do that right now, but that's what you would have. So you'd have half the deck odds on the bottom and half the evens on top, right? Now, in the middle of the pack, you're going to have two queens, okay, the two black queens. I put the Queen of Spades upside down. Now, this is in the box, and you can do a deck production from the invisible deck or whatever you'd like to do. If you're sitting at the table, all you have to do is have this in your lap, and you can do the invisible deck and do all the jokes, shuffle the deck, or take it out of the box, you do all the cool stuff. And then if you want to do a deck production, you have the deck in the box in your lap, and then when you get to the point where they toss it to you, you say, oh wait, I wasn't ready. You drop the cards, and then when they go to pick them up, this hand is shown empty, this hand drops to the side, and you're going to load this into the tenkai. So when they go to hand it, or when they go to toss it, you say, toss it to me. You go to catch it. You can do a deck production, which is a very good way to go into the invisible deck. Now let's say for this example they named the 5 of diamonds. You're going to start to spread the cards once you see the 5 of diamonds. Now for this example we will use the 4 of clubs, because remember I said these would all be the even, because more people are likely to name an even number than odd and things like that. So it doesn't matter if they name another one, you just have to go further down, and you're just going to prayer call it really quick. So for the 4 of clubs, as you spread through, you take the cards out of the box. Of course they'd be in the box, and when you start to spread, you're going to come to the 4 of clubs so you can see it. You're going to prayer call that, or Hofstadter call that underneath, okay? And then this you're going to make a little bit sloppy to give you a little more cover. Now when you come down to this, what I do here is I load this right directly underneath, and then I have my pinky is going to be like this. So from an underneath view, you're going to see it. The pinky's here, they're not going to see underneath it. So that's the 4 of clubs on top of the Queen of Spades. Now you say, look, there's one card upside down, and then you say hold out your hand and you make the switch. The switch is really quick, it's based on a color change, and you're just going to flip this with your pinky, right? You're just going to flip this. It's hard to do from this exposed angle, but I'll do this. Okay, it's going to flip over, and then it will just look like you're just handing it to them. Now because you had that queen, right, you're actually in this position. So when you flipped it over, that will coalesce with that one. So we'll back it up and we'll do that, okay? They name the card, okay, when they name, okay? Say it's the 4. You go down, you see the 4, then you come down and you say, look, I've got one card in here upside down in the whole entire deck, only one upside down. Now you say, pull out your hand. Now you're loading those two together. Your pinky is underneath here. Now this is all done really quick, and I'll show you what it will look like. You're going to flip this as you say, hold your hand out. This is going to flip. Now this is going to just drop like that. So see, they're not going to notice that that was a Queen of Clubs and Queen of Spades. So this will be in their hand, and you'll say you're thinking of one card, and there you go. So I hope you like that. That's my little variation of the Paul Harris invisible deck with a regular deck. So please like, subscribe, and share, and go to promagicart.com if you'd like to get the access to over 700 and rising. Now I've got closer to 1,000 if you count all the videos and all the ebooks, everything I'm putting in there. There's just so much stuff. So thank you, have a great day.